Alright guys, it's going to be my unboxing of the Neo Geo mini pad. I've been waiting a while for this to come in. And the HDMI cable I will use for it. I really hope this works. I actually have no idea if I need to use it on the Neo Geo official, like I need the official HDMI. But we'll find out, and hopefully it will help you too. I figure we're going to start out with the cables and adapters. Can't believe it just magically opened like that. So yes, this is, I'm gonna go throw that away. This is very much a cable with an adapter. USB-C, micro USB-C. I'm gonna take off these little plastic thingies now. There we go. Now let's start on the Neo Geo mini pad. The main one, the best one. Sorry if you don't like how I opened it. Let me get it out. It's very hard. My sister lost my tripod, so having to do this with one hand, and kind of hard to do that. It's not my fault, guys. And that tank's empty. Alright. We got a manual. A very manual, yes. And the main course. The cable. Yeah, I'm just kidding. The mini pad. Whoa, it feels great too. These are very rubbery. It's exactly what I wanted. And there's only one thing left to do. Test it. Let's make a transition to where I will be playing the Neo Geo Mini. Hey, I'm here. Alright, now that I got this hooked up, there's only one thing left I'm missing. The HDMI cable. As Trip struggled to find where the HDMI thing is, he also learned a valuable lesson that the back of my TV sucks. The valuable lesson I learned is that I'll find it later. Let's try some games. The moment of truth. Will the HDMI cable work? Come on. No! No! There's gotta be something I'm doing wrong. Do not tell me I wasted money on this. Please, I have way too much more things to live for. Please, please, please. And I'm gonna try it one more time. Hey, at least you will be informed that you have to buy the official one, because Neo Geo are stupid cheapskates now. Please. I'm desperate here. Okay, I actually got it to work. So, actually it does work. Thank goodness. So you can use any HDMI thing. Time to play my favorite Neo Geo game.